If you want to change icon size on POCO M8 5G, you need to go to Settings. Here in Settings, scroll down a little bit and go to Personalization. Now in this place, you should be able to find the Icons option. And we can move left and right in here in order to make icons bigger or smaller. Not only that, but you can also go to the home screen settings, and if you choose a different layout, like for example 5:9, then of course icons can be even smaller to make space for the rest of the icons in the same row or column. If you made any change to the layout, remember to use the Apply button. Last but not least, we can also open additional settings in here and then go to Accessibility. Switch to the Vision, and then we have the display size, which not only changes the size of icons, as you can see in here, but size of everything, of every element on the screen. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.